Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Solairi. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do this makeup look. This is a very sexy night out makeup, very glam, very bold. I'm really excited to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look, and I am using the Morphe 35M palette. This is what the palette looks like, and we're gonna be using it today. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already went ahead and prepped my eyelids, and I just put some concealer and set it with some powder. Then I'm gonna be taking some tape and I'm gonna put it on the edge of my eyes, following my lower lash line all the way up to my temples. This is so the eyeshadow can stay sharp and straight up. Now I'm taking this beautiful red apple color and I'm putting it on my crease. I will be taking that from the outside of my crease into the inside of my crease, and I'm just gonna smoke that out upwards and try to blend everything in, because this is gonna be our transition color, so you really want this to be blend in with your skin. Then here I took a clean fluffy brush and I just went over the edges just to make sure that there was no harsh lines. Next, I'm gonna be taking this plum purple color and I will be placing it on my crease as well and all over my eyelid. I'm going to be smoking this out and just keeping it on the crease. I'm not gonna be taking it up, but you do want to make sure that it is blended out with the red color. And if you need to go back and forth between the color because you lost some pigment, feel free to do that. Then again, I'm gonna go in with the clean fluffy brush and blending everything out so all of the edges are nice and smooth and there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna be taking this black eyeshadow and I'm gonna be drawing eyeliner on, and this does not have to be perfect because we will be smoking it out anyways, so if it's like not straight, it's okay. Then here I took a flat fluffy brush and I'm smoking the hell out of this eyeshadow because you do not want harsh edges with this. So I would recommend you take your time on this part, and if you need to go back and add some of the other colors because you lost some of the pigment, do that and just make sure you blend. I'm gonna be taking a setting spray and spraying some on the flat brush and taking this purple shimmery color, applying it in the inner part of my eyelid, but only going halfway. And then taking these two darker purple shades, I'm going to mix them together and apply them to the outer part of my eyelid and try to blend it out with the lighter purple color we put on earlier. Then I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just going over the edges, making sure that there's no harsh line. Here I'm gonna pop on some Ardell wispy lashes. And now for the most satisfying part, we're gonna take the tape off and look at this. This hurt a little bit, by the way. But look at this. Straight edge. Look at that. Super sharp, super straight. It just makes it look so fierce. So since I had some fallout, I just took some micellar water and I just wiped under my eyes real quick. Now moving on to complexion, I'm going to be using the Clarins Instant Smooth Perfect Touch Primer. This primer is literally so good. It fills all of your pores. As soon as you put it down, you notice right away. And I'm going to be putting this primer mainly on my T-zone and not so much on the rest of my face. Just my nose, my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I'm just dabbing it all over my face and taking a big fluffy kabuki brush, I'm going to be blending it in. I truly love this foundation because it's so lightweight, but it also lasts a really long time. So for a night out, I really think this is perfect to use. I took some foundation with a flat brush and I just cleaned up my eyebrows at the top. Now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX Skin Stop Won't Stop Concealer and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I put the NYX in the inner corners of my under eyes and then the e.l.f. on the outer corners of my under eyes. I went in with the flat brush and just went along that straight line of my eyeshadow just to make it cleaner. And then I went in and I blended the two concealers together. Now taking the NYX concealer, I went into the middle of my face and I just dabbed some on my forehead, the center of my nose, and in my chin and blended everything out. This is so it can give me more dimension to my face. To set everything in, I went in with the Wet n Wild translucent powder. Now going back to my eyes, I'm gonna take that plum color from earlier and I'm gonna put it on my bottom lash, but I'm only gonna bring it halfway. And then taking the black eyeshadow, also putting it exactly where I put that purple plum color and just smoking that out. Then I took a little bit of concealer and I put it in my inner corners so that when I put my highlighter, it can really pop and open up my eyes. And then I went with the highlighter on my inner corners. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Essence Mascara Lash Princess. Now going back to the face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm going to be contouring the hollows of my cheeks and the sides of my nose. Then bringing back some color into the face, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline City Bronzer and just bronzing my face just to bring back that dimension and so we don't look so flat. For blush, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush and Always Rosy. And I'm going to be putting this on the outer part of my cheeks and bringing it up to my temples. I'm going to be keeping it in that area just so that our face can look lifted. And I put a little bit on my nose as well. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals and just putting some on my cheekbones and the center of my nose and down my nose bridge. For lips, I'm going to be using the Lasting Finish by Revlon Lip Liner in the color 90s Nude and the MAC lipstick in the color Spirit. To finish everything off, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Stay All Day Blue Light Micro Setting Mist and just dabbing it in with the sponge. So as you guys can see, this is the final look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It's very bold, very out there. I absolutely love this look for like a night out. You know what I mean? You go to clubbing or go to a party or go out with the girls. I don't know. Whatever you guys do in a night out. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And I see you guys the next time. Mwah. Be happy and smile.